Last video I explained about India, its size and location, its neighboring countries and its boundaries. Today we will study about latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. India's latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north, and the longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east. How we get these latitudinal and longitudinal extent for our country? For that we have to study about the latitude lines and longitude lines. These two lines are the imaginary lines on the globe. So what is a globe? A model of the earth. Now I am going to draw a circle over here which we can represent as a globe. The middlemost line, latitude line, which divides the globe is called as equator or 0 degree latitude line. Equator divides the globe into two halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. From equator to north pole, this is north pole and this is south pole. From equator to north pole, 90 lines are there, latitude lines are there. The same way from equator to south pole also 90 latitude lines are there. So 90 plus 90 equals to 180 latitude lines are there on the globe. Now whenever we come into longitudes, the middlemost longitude line is called as prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. Greenwich is the place which is nearby London and the line passes through Greenwich. Because of that it is called as prime meridian or the Greenwich meridian. Prime meridian divides the globe into two, western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere 180 longitude lines are there and the western hemisphere also 180 longitude lines are there. So 180 plus 180 total 360 longitude lines are there on the globe. Now I already told you our latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4 and 37 degree 6. So from the equator, India lies in the northern hemisphere. So from the equator 1, 2, 3 like that, from 8 degree 4 our latitude line starts, which is in Kanyakumari. And the last latitude line is 37 degree 6. That means that comes in Kashmir. So from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we get around 30 latitudinal lines, around 8 degree 4 to 37 degree 6. In the same way, longitudinal line, 0 degree from here, India starting place is 68 degree 7 east, that is in Gujarat. And the last longitudinal line is 97 degree 25 east, that is in Arunachal Pradesh. There also you can see around 30 longitudinal lines are there. So these are the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of our country. Now there is a question comes in your book. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west. But the watches shows the same time. How does this happen? Arunachal Pradesh, if you go to Arunachal Pradesh, if you go to Gujarat, if you go to Tamil Nadu, if you go to Kashmir, all the places watches shows the same time because it is one country, India. Because we have taken the middlemost longitude line as the standard longitude for our country or the standard meridian for our country. That means from 68 to 97, I already told you 30 longitude lines are there. Its middle line, that means 82.5 degree line is adopted as the standard meridian for our country for calculating the time of our country from Greenwich meridian. So all the places in India gets at the same time, even though there is a difference in sunlight, arising of sunlight from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. So this difference we have to understand whenever we study about the timing of our country. Timing always we find out from the Greenwich meridian that we had studied already in the smaller classes. So this standard meridian which passes through the middle of our country, which is taken as the standard meridian of our country, and with the help of that we calculate the time of our country. Thank you.